always for being here. For my returning subscribers, I welcome everyone. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Support your girl. Actually, I'm talking live from the village, and today I have for meat, potatoes, tomatoes, and chili, and some lemon. So we have to do like doing the grilling of the meat, and then we shall cook it. For my style or for my cooking, leave a comment if you have ever done like that. Thank you so much. So what I have to do first, to marinate the meat with some salt, and we should slice it if it is, yeah. After adding salt, now I have to squeeze the lemon. You have to squeeze the lemon like this. You have to squeeze the lemon and you turn the other side. After squeezing the lemon, now we put it on the grill. So what we have to do is to cut the meat. See how it's ready here. So we have to cut the meat into some pieces that you want. Like this one is ready. So we have to slice it into the size that you want. These are the slices that I want, such as slices, so that even if you serve to look in a special way. Yeah. So we continue cutting the meat as usual. You leave some comments if this is how you do it here at your home or where you are staying or when you are cooking. Yeah. Leo kuni zinanisumbua, sijui siku ni mbichi leo zinanisumbua kweli. So we have what we have to do. The meat is here and then we have to boil it. We have to boil it. We are going to make soup. So that's how it looks here. And then I have to cover it. And I have to peel the potatoes now. Yeah. So next we have to peel the potatoes. And I don't have much of it because to make the soup amazing, so you should add the potatoes. And I'm using my I'm using the knife. I don't have a potato peeler. So after that we add the potatoes. And I have to add the salt. Remember, I'm cooking in a local way. You have to add salt. And then I have chili. We add chili. So we got the tomatoes. Remember, the chickens are assisting me to cook. Yeah. So what do we have to add? We add the tomatoes now. We add the tomatoes. Now we have to cover it because I don't need to add any oil because always meat has oil. So that's it here. We shall wait it for some time to cook. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, share to your friends outside there. I know you have amazing friends. So thank you so much for coming always. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Let's wait and see how the outcome. So as usual, sometimes this is our garden here, and we have spinach always. You may see me cooking spinach or kales, but then it is getting finished. These are the spinach here. We usually plant it at our garden here. And you could have seen from the other video, I was like weeding here at this garden here. So as usual, we don't buy like, also when you don't buy like vegetables, you may save some money. Like you can buy another thing instead of buying vegetables here. These are the plants that we have at our garden. They are usually the pumpkin leaves. These are the pumpkin leaves. Also, we don't buy like because we have it at our garden. And if you go to the hospital, you are advised to eat these pumpkin leaves. And there is another vegetable we call in the rema. We have some fruits here. I don't know how we call them. Actually, leave a comment if you know about that fruit. Also, we have some bananas, green bananas, but it's not that ready. If you see it has these things here, maybe it's not that ready. Also, if this one is here, there's another crisp that I saw people were cooking this thing here. Maybe I will try it. Maybe one day. It's another matoke there. So this is our garden here. It's not that good because there's too much rain. That's why you see the vegetables are not that good because it doesn't need a lot of laying, a lot of rain like. So, and this is our fence here. Yeah, it needs to be trimmed like I think so. But then hope you may enjoy the video. And you see the weather is not that good. It wants to rain like just a village. When the rain is too much, the vegetables it spoils also the vegetables. You know very well that we want the plants to have in the seasonal rains, like it can rain for some days and the other day it stops. That's the good season of growing crops. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much. This is the spinach that I'm going to use. It's fresh from the garden. Yeah. So I have to remove the stem of the spinach. So this is how it looks here. You may see how it is as you turn it. And this soup was usually cooked for someone, maybe for an infant or someone who is at the hospital. You can cook such a food for the person. So you'll have to cut the spinach in big slices. And then we pour inside. With the pouring inside, I have to stir. Yeah, that's how it looks. You have to stir it. You see the potatoes are full and it's going to get ready like in 10 minutes. Yeah, we cover it. So after we cooked, this is the outcome here. This is the outcome. You may see how it is. Actually, I am trying. It's amazing here. You love it with chapati or rice, or you love it with ugari, and that is it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, share to your friends outside there. We are heading to 2,000 subscribers. Actually, if you have not subscribed, help me by subscribing. Click the right bell so that when we upload another video,